pause, do that. Boop. No. Thank you, Rice. Explosion position, explosion radius. Okay, this is going to be 0. We don't need the upwards modifier. And mode. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. Like, what we're setting is this. Snotty British butler. This is just Brian, I think. I don't know. Let me check. Oh, it's controlled from the TTS monster. I don't know. I don't remember how to access it. Okay, so now we're gonna give you the bottle. We're gonna give you the 2 parts. And we're gonna put a collider on you, but we need to make it smaller. Like so. Good. And like so. Good. Here, whatever. So this is going to be a trigger. Oh, I forgot something. Serialized field. There you go. Right. We're about to have ads. You know what? Let's do the forum exercise before the ads. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There you go. Can you guys hear the squeak from the thing? I don't know. It OBS doesn't really show me if you can or not. And yeah, we're about to have ads, so we're gonna let them run. But we'll just continue working on this. I know the sub portion is gonna fall now. What if we tell it? What if we tell it not to use gravity? And then in the code, we're gonna add the explosion force. Use gravity. We're gonna also say true. So this way, it's not gonna fall down. It will only fall when we shoot it. And there are the ads. Well, if you have ads, you're not gonna see this. Okay. But oh my God. Forgot. I need to tell it to exclude everything but the bullets. There you go. Now it shouldn't fall. Because the reason it fell is because I have collider inside of a collider and the 2 colliders are touching. So it's probably just... Oh. Where are you going, little buddy? You just, where are you going? Where are we going? Why are you doing this? Okay. Let's try it again. There you go. That's what I'm gonna do. Go back. Also, we need to set all these values. So let's say the explosion force is gonna be 1. The explosion position. Well, the explosion position should come from the bullet, right? Explosion radius is gonna be like point, I don't know, 5. Yeah. Is it relative? The center of the sphere with which the explosion has its effect, but is the position relative or not? I don't know. Let's try it out. So explosion position is gonna be other that transform that position. Okay, let's test it out. Boop. What do you think? Is it gonna work? Well, it broke. It didn't really do the. It didn't really explode as I expected. It broke. It did something. I mean, what if we, let's make a few of those. Let's change the values a little bit. So we're gonna add some force to them. So 2, 10, and actually this one is gonna be 5. This one is gonna be 10. Like that. Let's try this. I want to do that. And the bottom part doesn't go anywhere, which sucks. I shot it. Just like nothing happened to it. I'm shooting right at it. Okay. I'm literally shooting right at you. What's wrong with you? So how come the first one went flying and the other one's like, oh, the second one went flying, the other one's like, nah, we're good. Just fly around. I'm shooting you. It's ridiculous. Oh, this one got shot. I know why it's happening. I think I know why it's happening. Um, So the problem is that the bullet is going too fast for the colliders, I think. I think that's the problem. So I think we need to modify the bullets. You see, the bullet has its own check for hit. Yeah. Okay, sorry about that. Had to sneeze. So it's checking if the thing has a health. What if it's a bottle? How can we distinguish this? We can give it a tag. Like bottle. Like that. Bottle. And then here, so we're checking whether it has a health component or rather character hit target. And what are you? And then if it doesn't, that means we didn't hit an enemy or a player. We can check whether the hit tag, how do I get the tag from you? Transform tag? Yeah, compare tags. Let's compare it to bottle. Where's the tag? Okay, and if this is true, so if that's true, we're gonna say hit transform that get component battle and vector 3 position. Oh my god. So we don't need this anymore. Boop, boop. Or, yeah, boop, boop. The position is what we're going to be using here. And then, so we're going to get the component, we're going to say break, and we're going to hit, we're going to pass the, do we have this information? Hit that point. There you go. I'm curious what foods are generally my favorite. Hey, Anihan. I like pastas. I like Italian tomato sauce meat foods. That's what I like. Like lasagna, pasta barone. Those are one of my favorites. Robotech, how you doing? Italian meat sauce. Yep. Okay, let's test this out. Save the script. Go here. Let it recompile. Doing well. That's good. I'm kind of tired. I don't know. I thought today's gonna be a short stream, but look at me. Well, actually, we're only 3 hours in, so we'll see. Getting excited for the release of this game, to be honest. I'm tired of working on it. Things are still busy here. Okay. But I wanted to let you know I believe in you. Thank you. You've got this. Thank you. Thank you, Anhan. And Mel's, welcome in. I, I don't think I've seen you in chat today, right? Or maybe I did. I don't know. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna work now. Let me use let me use this. Oh, you see the bottom parts don't fold though. I don't understand why. Also, they're falling down. Like I shoot from this direction and they're falling this way instead of like flying out. I don't believe in you. I think you are a figment of my imagination. Well, that's some crappy imagination, to be honest, if I'm a figment of it. Should get a better imagination. Couldn't you imagine me without diabetes or something? I'll need meaty tomato sauce with bread if there is no pasta. Find something else besides pasta and bread. Eastern US they call Italian tomato sauce gravy. We need to do something with these. They're not falling down. They're not falling down. What if I give it some up power? So let's try, let's zoom on you. All right. How come I'm not hitting you? Because it said there's a trigger. Ah. Yeah, you can see it move a little bit, but that's like nothing. Can you call this game RDR? You want me to get sued? That's what you want? You want me to get sued? That's that's what you want. Let's give it more force, more radius. I don't know what else to give it. Ah, there you go. That's something. What if we give it 0.5? There you go. What else? Yeah, force. Okay. So it seems like so it seems like 22, 5, and 1 is good enough. Or it seems to be good enough. So let's do 25, 5, and 5. We'll make this bottle like explode. Well, I don't want it to explode. I just want it to snap and fly, like kind of close, but kind of away from each other. You know. Right now it's just flops on its belly, and that's it. Also, this should not be a trigger. There you go, something like that. Let's make a prefab out of you so it's easier to change. Oh, pinged me. Oh. Practical pinged me. Bloop. Okay. Delete, delete. Nah, never mind. Delete and delete. Boop, boop, boop. Let's give a few of these. Okay, let's move them from here to like here. So from -1 to 3. There you go. Okay. Now let's give them. Let's start incrementing the powers. Okay. Boop. It doesn't break as I wish it to break. Huh. Does the explosion force like needs to be, I don't know, hundreds? Is that what it is? Or maybe we can change the upwards modifier? I don't know. Oh, maybe we need to change. This then let's change the mass to like 0.3 because it's a bottle. I don't know, a bottle. It's what, like 500 grams, like 300 grams. It's very small. Okay, let's try it again. There we go. I liked this one and this one, the forces. So this is 30. This is 40. Okay, let's try 40 with let's say 40, 40. Okay, and now we're gonna play around with the radius. So I think the 5 is a bit too much. So let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just for funsies, we're gonna do 50 or 500. Sure, whatever. Pow, 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 pow. You know the deal. Nice. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, I think radius is 1 is more than enough. I think we can also reduce the explosion power and the modifier power. I think that will be enough. And the next step is to give them different shapes as well, and also to turn off the script after they've been shot. So you cannot just shoot it and then shoot it again and again and again. Very cute. I think this is cute. And then, so once it's broken, right? We can just turn off the collider. We can just turn off the collider, I think. Quack. Who's that? Wesley Mendonca. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. You're a local duck now. I know if it's good or bad, but yeah, I wrote duck. Box collider that enabled equals false. So we're gonna turn off the collider, and actually we can play with the force a bit. Yeah, it's fine. Put the rubber duck in the game as an Easter egg. I have a different Easter egg that I think it was you who didn't want to see it, or maybe I think it was Dreamer. It was a very funny Easter egg. You can't really do it. It's just an item. Can I shoot these pieces? Not really. Why not? You want to see it? I can show you. I can show you the Easter egg. You want to see it? All right, I'm going to show you. So there's a spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. So if you go in here, right, and you're ready for the spoiler, look who's sitting in the cage. Look at this little fella. Look at him. Yeah. Like it doesn't affect the game in any way. You cannot interact with it. It's just there. And I thought it's very funny. All right, let's put these bottles around the map, and also let's what's the word? Customize them, not custom. Yeah, customize them. So we have the bottle. We can add a few more of these. We have 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have 2 bottles that we can break. So this is bottom 1. This is top 1. This is bottom 2, top 2. Let's hope that they are gonna behave. Oh, I fucking didn't top 2. Turn. Have a good night. Thank you so much for the raid again. Really appreciate that. Oh, I will ask you later. It's not important. Okay, so now we have 2 variants of the bottles. Maybe then, because this one is much thinner, right? And the collider is enormous. Might want to update the collider. We can do it like this. What are you for? Oh, yeah. Let's do it like that. And hey, Sean, how you doing? Like this. And then this collider, I think, will be perfect for, well, not perfect, but it's gonna be good for this bottle as well. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Good. All right. So we will have 1 collider, 2 bottles. So here again, we will have these 2 bottles. So now we just need to tell the code to randomize between them. So we'll have bottle parts. How should we do it? We'll have bottle parts 1, bottle parts 2. No. We're gonna have also we're about to have ads. I will just continue working on this this thing. So private game object. Oh, actually not game object. Rigid body. These are, this is bottle 1. I know. Numbers and names, but whatever. This is bottle 2. On awake, actually we don't need you. We do need you, but I don't want you to be serialized. I want you to be like that. In here, we're gonna say random range, whatever, 0 to 1. If this is greater than 0.5, so we're gonna say model parts equals model 1 or model 2. Does that make sense? Good. Now let's rewrite this thing. Like that. So we're just doing a simple random number between 0 and 1. Hopefully this returns a float. Yep. So we're just doing a random number between 0 and 1. If it's above 0.5, it's going to be bottle 1. Is it less than 0.5, it's going to be bottle 2. And that's it. Oh, that's not it. Actually, that's not it. No, that's pretty much it. And now we also need to do to make sure that for each of these, I'm going to say part that game object that show. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna hide this. We're gonna hide this, and then we're gonna show the one that we picked. Yeah, I can do something more, like smarter, where like, oh, like splits. Actually, why not? Nah, this is fine. This is fine. No, there's no reason to over-engineer this. It's just a stupid button. Okay, and now here. So bottle 1 goes in here. Bottle 2 goes in here. Oh, what? Oh, I didn't give them region bodies. Right. So copy component, paste component. There you go. And now I can grab these two, just put them here, save this thing, and yeah, let's run the game. And we should see different battles now. Did I miss something? No, we did all the, yeah, okay. Yep, you see, one of them transferred, the other ones didn't. I want to try it again. Yeah, the loading is kind of long. I need to do maybe something about it. There we go. See, they're different. What is that? Is that a bullet? Can I help you? There's just a bullet in here. Where's the bullet stuck in here? Where are you hitting? Wait. Yeah, okay. You're going through. Okay, cool. All right, now we just take this bottle and we plop it around the map. So one has to go. Let's create new bottles. Okay, so the first bottle is going to the sheriff. You get a bottle. Because he's drunk. next guy is this sheriff. He's also drunk. Maybe we can put some of the bottles here. Actually, maybe we can even put a few. Why not? Okay. Next, I want to put some bottles over here. Or maybe on this thing. Okay, let's create 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's position them from this point to this point. So from you, so 31.5 and 34.5. Okay, so we grab all of these. We do L from minus 34.5 to minus 31.5, and then it aligns them perfectly. Look at that. I just move them like that. You can maybe just a little bit move them around so they're not like, perfect. Like that. And then we can also give them a random rotation. So the rotation needs to be somewhere between like this. So 75 to 110. So again, we're gonna click here. We're gonna say R 75, 110. There you go. And then it gives them random rotations, you see? Actually, very slight random rotation. Can we do it again? 75, 110. Yeah, good enough. Let's put you a bit down. There you go. Nice. Okay. Where else do we need bottles? Maybe this guy can get a bottle. This is the stupid stuff we're doing instead of, working on the game. Actually, I don't want it to be here. No, that's fine. Where else? And maybe we can put some bottles here. You see, there is one here anyway. Can I click on you? I cannot click on you. Yeah, I guess we're gonna put some bottles here, like on top of these. Come here. Come up. So 1, 2, 3. Let's put you from 11.5 to minus 14. So L from 11 point. So actually no, random between 11.5 and 14. Where are you? What are you doing here? What? What? It's not what I wanted. Come back. That's all they really. I don't understand. Just one. All right. I don't remember whose song it is, but I know it. Just don't remember whose song it is. Let's try again. Random from minus 11.5 to minus 14. Uh-huh. Cindy Lauper. No. I know the song. Okay. Okay. And now give it a random. Yeah, just give it a random rotation. Random from 0 to 360. There you go. My roommate is watching Arcane in the living room, and I hear the music, and it's so good. Okay, so we have 3 bottles here. I think we're gonna put like 2 more here, and I don't know. Do you guys have any other suggestions where to put the bottles? So we have a few here. Oh yeah, we have here. We have a few of the NPCs. I don't know if I want more. Oh, I know what moment they are at from the soundtrack. Oh my god. We can put a few here. Nah, I think this is fine. Let's try running around and shooting stuff. They're all the same. That's kind of concerning. But there's nothing I can do about it. These are randoms. Yeah, you can barely see them, but it's cute. The bullet that flew into space gonna just keep going. No. I don't know why it's doing that. Some of the bullets ricochet. And I don't know, like, I hit the bottle. It should disappear, but no, they have in their logic they get destroyed 10 seconds after they spawned. So Every time, like if I shoot a bullet into space, it will fly for 10 seconds and then disappear. So you can see it in the hierarchy. See all this list of bullets, right? And you will see them slowly starting to disappear. Yeah, there you go. Boop, 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 boop. And I'm not using any pooling or anything like that. Like, it's. I need to see Zement what he sent me. He ran the game on different potatoes, so I'm curious to see what how it ran and what he considers potatoes. Okay, let's find all the battles in the game. Well, there are a bunch of cops here. Cops are not shootable. That's fine. What about here? Okay, I think this will do it. Okay, let's save this. Save this. Do git status. We need the bullet. We need the tag. We need the scene. And we need the new battle. I think that's it. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Git commit, add breakable battles around the map. Very nice. All right. It's 9:30. I don't really know what to do next. Yeah. Maybe just call it. I just need to make sure to bring the game back to its complete playable state. Because the last version that I uploaded was broken. Oh, here. This guy. Boop. There you go. I need to change that God mode. I need to change this crap. Come here. Yeah, this. If Unity editor God mode. Can I do if not Unity editor? Is that does that work? If not Unity editor, this equals to false. Can I do this? Does anyone know? Yeah. We can do this just to make sure. There you go. So if it's a Unity editor, the God mode will be true, else it's going to be false. Now there's not going to be any issues of uploading a build where oops, the player is in God mode. You cannot kill the player. Nope. not anymore. And we can test it by running the game here. This is gonna get checked. Good. And yeah, that's it basically. Add conditional. What's the name for it? Compilation. Conditional compilation for God mode. Cool. All right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna make a build. I'm gonna upload it, and yeah, 'cause I don't really know what else to work on. All right. Yeah, let's do that. That's the plan. All right. Let's find someone to raid. There are 50 people here? What? I did. Oh yeah, we got raided with a bunch. Thank you so much for lurking. I really appreciate that. Okay, two nerdy nerds are not on. Come on, load. Hillfort. Well, we can go to Hillfort. I don't think I got to raid him yet. Do you guys know this guy? Very cool guy. His oh yeah, he started like right before me. Well, let's give him support. That is a very cool cool guy making a zombie game, an adventure kind of point click game. This is like not a survival or anything like that. But yeah, he's new to streaming, so let's give him some love. There you go. Right. Right, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all the lyrics and schmarks and resubs and follows and uh resubs, follow on the bits and the lyrics and have a good time zone. Yeah. I don't I'll see you on Thursday, I guess. I don't have much to say. So let's get out of here.